Okay, ma'am. Yeah, okay, ma'am. Yeah.
This is your picture.
Yeah.
Send me tomorrow.
Yes.
Yesterday, I think. Okay. ये इनकी स्कूल की पिक्चर है, ये बांग्लादेश से हमने जो है हाल में, ठीक है, इन सारी देखिए इन्होंने बनाया है, वीडियो कॉल में
তাহলে
किया
নাটক
है,
তো ও নিয়ে প্রেজেন্টেশন
है
দিচ্ছে
सब
কেন?
नजर आ रहा है, ओके, ये देखिए नजर आ रहा
এই স্টপ দ্য প্রেজেন্টেশন। হ্যাঁ, yes ma'am, your student activity is so nice. হ্যাঁ, okay ma'am.
are you doing
Yes.
this activity?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাডাম, your session is over. হ্যাঁ,
Yeah, we have done it.
হ্যাঁ,
Already,
okay, 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 done. Start your presentation.
Okay.
Okay ma'am.
Good noon and best wishes to all. I am Ithan Sarkar, a student of Ikuri High School, Kapashia, Gazipur, Bangladesh. Thanks to the school authorities for giving me the opportunity to present an event of international standard. I hope everyone is well. Respected teachers and primary students, Government Girls Secondary School, Mangopir, Karachi. Where is joined our respected ma'am Shahina Akhtar, ISA coordinator of our school. Also joined all of our respected teachers from our collaboration school. Joined with us Ruzina ma'am and others. Welcomes my heartiest friends of the students of our collaboration school. Today our collaboration topic is global warming. In this regard, the students of our school will present the mentioned presentation. Now I would like to invite our some friends named Eva, Rupanti and Oiti for present their presentation. They will read some poster about global warming and its cause, which we have collect from internet. Thanks to all.
ম্যাডাম ইয়ারফোন লাগানো দিয়ে তো
Shaina, your mic is muted.
Over the past 100 years, our symbol is in the 1910 and 1940 and between 1940 and 1965. But between 1850 and 1910, there was no significant change. Temperatures have risen and mass fluctuated. So the warming years in the earth are increasing. The amount of more than normal, starting to heat acted by this pressure. So global warming is happening at the amount of atmospheric temperature. If we search for the cause of global warming, we see the cause of global warming in the increase in the amount of greenhouse gases in the earth temperature. The main causes of global warming is human activity because people are burning millions of tons of fuel every day, resulting in carbon dioxide generation, we are using different types of vegetables. Trying different types of food by mesh different ways. We are communicating the carbon dioxide gases, including carbon dioxide. The role of greenhouse gases in global warming. Carbon dioxide is the natural greenhouse atmospheric as 0.8% of the small quantity carbon dioxide at the time of the industrial revolution, the amount of carbon dioxide increased and the amount of carbon dioxide has increased to 3060 ppm today due to the additional consumption in the amount of this greenhouse gas in the atmosphere is very low at 2.3 ppm and greenhouse gas is increasing at a rate of about 0.5 percent. The amount of this gas at the atmosphere has increased by 10 times. Cut down as global warming continues to the rise as a result of rising carbon dioxide. We are once again cutting down plants that absorb carbon dioxide. Trees are the only organism on Earth that accept carbon dioxide. As a result of cutting down trees, the carbon dioxide is increasing. Thank you so much for my presentation.
Hello everyone, I'm Hipon Kano. The effects of global warming, climate change. Data analyzing over the past few decades has shown that global warming has begun change the world. The change are falling on every country in the world. Temperatures in global warming Siberia has been rising by 25 degrees Celsius in the past century. Half of the Europe's Alps have melted its peak. The number of penguins in Antarctica has decreased as the water warms in the polar region. The tropics are getting warmer and drier. Agriculture is being hampered and water is scarce. Summer rainfall in Mongolia's Gobi region has been delayed for the past 30 years. In the Mediterranean climate, rainfall is also much lower than in the past. Glacier melting, rising sea levels, increasing the prevalence of floods, increasing the number and intensity of storms. Tropical cyclones are one of the major weather disasters in the tropics. Effect on human health. Global warming also has adverse effects on human health. The effect of heat is seen in the countries of temperate regions. The tropics are also getting warmer and warmer. The incidence of vectorial disease is also increasing due to global warming. Effect on biodiversity. According to the IPCC reports, global warming is one of the main causes of extinction. Impact of agricultural production. Global warming is causing climate change. Climate change is affecting agricultural production over the tropical countries of Africa, South America, and Asia, where the production of crops from the east is very low. Heat flow, one of the major weather disasters is heat flow. Today, the heat flow is not limited to the tropics but is also seen in temperate countries in the summer. Increased propensity for drought. Drought is defined as the amount of rainfall that is less than more normal at a given time in a given area. Due to the lack of rainfall, various sources of water have dried up, which has created a shortage of water for human consumption. Currently, global warming is causing changes in the amount and distribution of rainfall in the planet. Thank you.
Clapping करिए भाई.
The point of global warming are as follows. Reducing the use of fossil fuels. Decreasing the problematic flood tolerance. Increase insect emission. Planet quality through of alternative environmentally planned new technology. Quick implement of experiments on a potential and activity and housing. Strong importance of electronic points. Increase use of renewable energy. TV storage. Thank you very much for listening my presentation.
Thank you, friends, for your excellent presentation. Now I would like to invite our friend Diba to present her presentation. She will discuss something about greenhouse. Thanks to all.
I am Maisha. Me and my friends were made greenhouse models. Global warming is the increase in the average temperature. Global warming is the increase in the average temperature. Different kinds of gases are blamed for global warming. They are carbon dioxide, methane, fluorocarbon, ozone, water vapor, etc. In the other words, the increase in the average temperature of Earth is called global warming. This is seen as the temperature of greenhouse. In the process by which the radiation from a planet's atmosphere warms the planet to a temperature above what is would be without this planet's atmosphere. Radiative inactive gases in a planet's atmosphere radiated energy in all directions. The effect of greenhouses and environment greenhouse gases have for ragging environmental and health effects. They causes change by trapping heat and they also contribute to respiratory diseases from smoke and air pollution. Thank you. Thank you everybody to listening my listen.
Thank you, friends, for your excellent presentation. Now some of my friends will showing some pictures like global warming, what they have drawn. Thanks to all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, presentations. Many thanks and gratitude to all of you who have been with us abroad for such a long time. Finally, wishing everyone good health and prosperity. I humbly call on now.
Thank you, ma'am. Our session is over. Rosina, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Our session is over.
Hello. Yes, Michelle. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for your cooperation.
Thank you so much, you and your students' cooperation.
Okay, thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you. Goodbye. And see you again.